easy job, then you do it.
Hallo ihr liebe Leute, hier ist wieder der Jenki mit Let's Play The Walking Dead Season 1 auf pälzisch.
You decide who gets to eat. No, I'm serious. Pick up that food and start handing it out. You see how it feels to not have enough food for everyone.
Ja, in der letzten Episode haben wir die Knabe im Wald gerettet. Du hast nur 4 Nahrungsgegenstände für 10 hungrige Leute. Ja, die haben wir gerettet und dann hat es wieder zu Kapelei geführt. Ja, und jetzt sieht es so aus, dass die Lilly ein bisschen durchgedreht ist und jetzt Lee, beziehungsweise uns hier, die Entscheidung lässt, wer zu essen kriegt. Tja, jetzt müssen wir uns entscheiden. Katja, die Sache als Ärztin ist wichtig, aber die wird wollen, dass ihren Sohn was kriegt. Ich werde trotzdem mal mit ihr erzählen. Ja, klar. Ja, ich habe ihn gerettet und muss ich davon verantwortlich sein.
I did the right thing.
Yeah, I know you did. The right thing is just scary sometimes, I guess.
Allerdings.
Well, you've done all you can, Lee. Thanks for the help.
Okay.
Go ahead and check in on the others. I need a little space here anyway.
Ja, besser ein Tierarzt als Kenner, die Sache. Okay, der arme Hund, der vom Shit Happens Truck, der braucht erstmal nichts. Aber die Kinder brauchen.
How you doing, Clementine?
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Aber ich steht Sache, wir retten noch mal kurz mit ihr. Und dann kriegt sie auf jeden Fall was zu essen.
How you doing, Clementine? Everything all right?
Yeah. Is that man going to be okay?
Ja. Ich bin mal ehrlich.
I'm not sure.
I hope he will. I'm so hungry, Lee. I hope I get to eat soon.
Ja, wäre nett. Ah, kriegt sie was.
Here, Clem. You need something to eat.
Was kriegt sie dann? Die kriegt einen halben Apfel. Das ist gesund.
I love apples.
Na,
Thank
Allah.
you. Are there
Du hast dich
more?
entschieden, auf Clementine aufzupassen.
That was the last one.
Oh,
Enjoy it. You deserve it.
Ja, die Kinder brauchen das. Es ist noch 3-mal was zu essen da. Okay, hat sie noch was zu sagen?
That thing doesn't work anymore, does it?
no, not since it broke at the drugstore.
Just gonna hold on to it then?
Yeah, if that's okay. I need it.
Ja, kann ich
It's
auch irgendwie
okay.
nur vollziehen.
You said they'd find us.
I know. I did.
And until then,
Look, Clementine.
I'm not stupid, Lee. I know it's just pretend. But it makes me feel better.
Okay. You
Das
take
ist,
good care of it then.
Sehr erwachsenes und intelligentes
I will.
Kind, das ich mal sagen.
You'll be okay over here?
Uh-huh. I'll be okay.
Okay, dann mit dem, damit der Kenny und die Katja auch zufrieden sind.
How you doing, Doc?
I'm okay. Me and Clementine are coloring.
Guess what it is?
I don't
Ketzel.
know. The dog?
Nope.
Oh, I know. It's a goat, right?
No.
You were pretty brave when we brought those people in here.
That's because I know Mom can fix him.
Okay,
Hey,
er
Doc.
kriegt was.
How about a little food?
Der kriegt Störfleisch.
Here.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm so hungry.
Duck und seine Familie wissen das zu schätzen. Okay, der kriegt nichts, aber mit dem will ich retten.
Hey, is my friend gonna make it?
I don't know, but Katja will do her best. I promise.
Can't believe you chopped off his leg.
There's no other way.
Ja.
How you holding up, kid?
Well, I keep wondering if I could have done something to help, you know? Some kind of, I don't know, something.
You'll be prepared next time.
Next time? Yeah.
Ja, man weiß ja aber nie, wie es läuft.
So who are you people? Our group's gonna want to know.
I'm Ben. Ben Paul. The man you saved is Mr. Parker, the band director at my school. We all came
okay.
down from Stone Mountain for the playoffs when everything happened.
Relax.
Gut.
We'll get your friend back to normal in no time.
I sure hope so.
Okay, dann reiten wir mit der Carly.
Sleeping any better?
No. I know we should be grateful for beds, but no, I'm not.
Drugstore?
Yeah.
Lily has me handing out the food.
Ugh, that can't be an easy job.
It's not. I won't be able to feed everyone. What should I do?
Well, if you wanted to get in good with Lily, I'd make sure Larry gets some food, even though that guy can be a real dick sometimes.
Ganz
On
bestimmt
the other
nicht.
hand, giving that food to Kenny and his family might make him remember you, if he decides to take off in that RV one day.
What about you? You need food too.
We all need food. I can't tell you what to do, but whatever happens, I know you'll be trying to do the right thing.
Okay.
Thanks, Carly.
Naja, die als Schützin könnte ja auch was gebrauchen, denke ich mal sagen. Dann retten wir mal mit dem Kenny. Die ist auf jeden Fall bei der Kandidatin, der nicht was zu essen geben wird, aber auch die Katja sollte was kriegen als Ärztin.
Word's getting out that you want to leave the motor in.
That ain't no secret, Lee. It's probably our best bet.
Look, you've been good to me and my family. You saved Duck from those monsters, and you stood up to Larry at the drugstore. I won't forget that. You and Clem are welcome to come with us.
Okay.
The coast does sound like a smart idea. Maybe that is the best thing.
I know that it is. I'm taking my family.
Du hast Kenny gesagt, dass es eine gute Idee sei, sich zur Küste durchzuschlagen. Ja, besser als du in der arg spannenden Situation bei den Leuten zu bleiben, würde ich mal sagen, es ist besser, mobil zu sein. Da komme ich nicht durch, da kann er sich nicht vorbeiquetschen an der Couch. Okay, die Lilly, mit der spreche ich jetzt auch mal. Die ist so der Wachposter.
Maybe we should think about leaving the motel.
God, not you too. I know Kenny wants to leave. I think that's why he's so eager to get the RV working. But this is a good spot. We're protected, we're close to the drugstore, we have a routine now and it's working.
For now. We should talk about you and Kenny.
What about us?
They're arguing. It's getting pretty out of hand. You know people notice that.
Look, I'm working my ass off to make sure we have a good setup here, and Kenny just doesn't appreciate
Ach,
that.
Quatsch.
All we need is food.
But there is no food. You know that better than anyone.
Well, we'll just have to find some.
Ja, super Plan.
Keep an eye
Okay,
out.
Fine.
Lady Kuh. Gut, dann retten wir mal mit dem Larry. Den kann ich ja überhaupt nicht ausstehen, den Kerl.
It keeps the walkers out. Carly's been doing the bulk of the lookout duty.
Okay. Ach, gut zu wissen.
Will you
Für unsere
hold the
Entscheidung.
damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this weak already.
What do you want? A handout? Oh, I got 60 cents in my pocket. If you'll shut up and quit being such a pansy.
Ach du liebe Zeit, was ein Dappschädel.
Hey, you holding up okay, Lee? I was pretty fucked up back there. Had to cut that guy's leg off.
Yeah, I just hope Katja can save him. Lily's pretty pissed at us.
Listen, I know her intentions are good, but...
But nothing. She's making the smart choice. Those parasites you guys brought back need to go.
Ja, dich am liebsten auch rausschmeiße, du fetter Widerling. Ah, Mann.
You ever miss the Air Force base? I mean, this wall isn't exactly military standard.
No way I'm going back there. You saw what it was like when you guys picked me up. Completely overrun.
Okay.
Need any help with the wall?
Nope.
Actually, we could use your axe. Do you mind if we take it?
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
Jo, gib mal Mark die Axt.
Here, Mark, this should help.
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
Ja, weil du das
Come on,
saudummes
Larry,
Arschloch
give it
bist.
a rest. I'm sure Lee is getting pretty sick of you thinking he's a danger to the group.
Is that what you told him?
Ja.
Yeah, that's right.
And what are you gonna do about it?
Look, I don't care what it is, but you two have got to start trying to get along.
The only thing I have to do is protect my daughter. And right now, that means getting this damn wall fixed. So I would appreciate it if you two would shut up and let me get back to work.
Ja, dann schaff halt, du Dappschädel. Ja, einfach nur der Kopfschüttler, was willst du denn noch sagen?
Lily thinks we should throw these new people out.
Damn right. There's too many people hanging around here as it is.
You've got to talk to Lily about getting along with Kenny.
Lily can make her own friends.
It's
Ach
not
du
about making
liebe Zeit,
friends.
ja,
We're
Eva.
all in this together. We got to start acting like it.
Richtig.
Stuff all that. We'd be fine without you.
Fall doch tot um.
Keep up on that fence.
Don't tell me what to do, Lee.
Ja. Heieiei, ist das ein Unsympath, oder? Es würde mich ja mal interessieren, wie ihr den Kerl wahrnehmt. Ob ihr jetzt denken, ja, der Typ hat eigentlich voll recht, steht mich genauso aggressiv verhalte, oder ob ihr den als so total unsympathisch wahrnehmt.
Here, eat something.
Why don't you give it to Doc? I'm a little busy with your mess right now.
Okay.
I need space, Lee.
Okay, die will's erst gar nicht, na gut. Ah, Entschuldigung. Ihr habt bestimmt schon gehört, dass man was im Hals gesteckt hat. Das hat jetzt einfach nur mal ein bisschen rausgemisst. Ja, dann die Sache, ich gebe Mark was zu futtern. Der war ja eh schon so schwach und schafft an der Mauer, das ist wichtig. Und der andere Typ, der kommt mit seiner Fettreserve zurecht.
Thanks, Lee.
Du hast Mark etwas zu essen gegeben. Ich gäb's noch jemand.
Some of these people have gone longer than me without food. They're the ones that need it.
Und zwar die Sache, die Kali kriegt was. Die hält viele Schichten. Und ja, die ist so gut die Schützin. Es würde mich mal interessieren, ihr liebe Leute, wenn hätten ihr es Essen gegeben?
Want something to eat?
Ja.
Here.
Gebt mir doch gerade in die Kommentare
How about
Bescheid,
you?
wenn ihr was
You
zu
look
essen
like
gegeben
crap,
hätten.
Lee. When was the last time you ate?
Du hast
I'm
Kali
okay.
etwas zu essen
I
gegeben.
want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak. I know I said it didn't matter why you saved me instead of Doug, but
You don't owe me anything, Carly.
Okay, sie will's erst gar nicht. Dann vielleicht ein Kenny.
Want something to eat? Here, Kenny, take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
Jo,
Yeah, I gave him something.
Sure, then hand it over. I'm starved.
die anderen haben bemerkt, dass du Kenny etwas zu essen gegeben hast. Ja, alles klar, dann haben wir die Leute versorgt und jeder hat was zu futtern kriegt, denn der meiner Meinung nach was verdient hat,
Not such an
Und?
easy job, is it?
ist
Never
definitiv
said
nicht
it
leicht.
was.
Und geben wir doch,
Lily,
wie gesagt, gerade in die
I don't know how
Kommentare
you have the
Bescheid,
strength to do
wenn
this
ihr
every
was zu
day.
essen gegeben hätten
I
oder
don't
ob
have
man
a
mit
choice.
meiner Entscheidung zufrieden seid. Und
Hey,
wir sehen uns dann
thanks for
in
looking
der...
out for me and my family.
Für heute ist nichts mehr zu
I'm
essen da.
serious about that offer to come with
Ja,
us.
und wir sehen uns dann in der
More
nächsten
than a ride
Episode
on the
von
RV
Let's
with
Play The Walking Dead Season 1
Still,
auf
I
hält
guess some
sich.
people aren't gonna be
Machen's
happy
gut
with
bis
your
dahin,
choices.
liebe Leute.
You're out.
Eiern.
What happened to
Jenki.
my food?
There's none left.